Here's some electric locomotives trivia. Subscribe. What is the primary energy source for electric trains? Is it A, diesel, B, coal, C, natural gas, or D, electricity? The correct answer is D, electricity. Which country is home to the high-speed electric locomotive Shinkansen? Is it A, China, B, Germany, C, France, or D, Japan? The correct answer is D, Japan. Which American manufacturer created the EMD E-unit series? Is it A, Alco, B, Westinghouse, C, Baldwin, or D, Electro-Motive Division? The correct answer is D, Electro-Motive Division. What is the name for a locomotive that can operate on both electric and diesel power? Is it A, diesel engine, B, electric train, C, dual-mode locomotive, or D, steam locomotive? The correct answer is C, dual-mode locomotive. Which famous railway features the Bombardier Trax locomotive? Is it A, Amtrak, B, SNCF, C, Deutsche Bahn, or D, Norfolk Southern? The correct answer is C, Deutsche Bahn. Which locomotive is known for being the world's fastest electric train? Is it A, Ice Train, B, Acela Express, C, Shanghai Maglev, or D, Eurostar? The correct answer is C, Shanghai Maglev. What is the name of the Swiss electric locomotive used in the Gotthard base tunnel? Is it A, BA 1012, B, A66, C, RE 460, or D, RE 420? The correct answer is D, RE 420. What color are the German State Railways electric locomotives typically painted? Is it A, traffic red, B, yellow, C, green, or D, gray? The correct answer is A, traffic red. Thanks for watching. Comment with how many questions you got correct. Should we make the next video have easier or harder problems? Was the difficulty just right? Do you have suggestions for future trivia topics? Don't forget to drop a like and sub if you enjoyed the video.